Hey, what is up friends? My name is Eric and in today's tutorial I will be showing you how to move games and programs within Steam between multiple drives. Let's get started. Right, all you need is at least two hard drives connected to your computer and obviously a Steam account with some games installed. Alright, so once you have Steam open, go up to the toolbar up here, press on Steam, Settings, and go down to Downloads. Then go up to Steam Library Folders, and it should open up a storage manager here. So you can see I have two drives right now set up. So my C drive has Blender and Steamworks Common Redist installed here. And then on my secondary SSD, I have a bunch of games here. And now I wish to add a third drive. So maybe you only have one drive here when you haven't done this before. So don't worry about that if you only see one drive. Simply press on the plus icon here next to the drive and select a drive that you wish to add. So for me, it's the D drive here, which is the brand new SSD that I got. Press on add, and that adds that drive to be available for use when downloading new games and when moving games. So from here, you can go to any of the drives you got enabled, select any of the games you wish to move. You can also uninstall multiple games at once from here. So let's say I want to move all of my games from the G drive here to my new D drive here. So press on the move button once you've selected the games you wish to move, and then choose the drive you wish to move to. And it will give you a little heads up here of how much storage is available on each drive and how much storage you would need for how many games or applications. So I'm going to do the G drive and press move. So now it's going to start moving everything over. This might take a little while depending on the speed of your drives, the amount of storage needed, etc. So just let it go and do its thing. An alternative way to move individual programs between different drives on Steam is to go to your Steam library here, select the program or game you wish to move, right click on it and press on properties, go to local files and press on move install folder, and it will give a drop down menu very similar to the one we saw in the manager, and you can select the drive you wish to move to from here and just press on move, and it will do the same exact thing as with the moving manager. And that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, click the like button down below. If you have any questions, leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers.